Why do people all over the world like Japanese cuisine? It's because the beauty of its appearance. By using seasonal ingredients to the dishes, people feel the change of season from their meals and enjoy it. Plus, they're not only delicious but also addictive and obsessive taste once you have eaten. Dating back to 7th century, Japanese had already had a dashi food culture, which is the basis of Japanese food. The dashi enhances the taste of the ingredients and brings out the umami. Japanese originally eat vegetable and grains mainly rather than meat, so the soup stock is essential adding umami to the dishes. By taking advantage of the taste of the ingredients and using dashi to add umami, you can eat deliciously without being tasteless. In today's video, I'm sharing a dashi shop where you can learn and experience the taste of Japanese dashi culture. In my channel, I'm sharing gourmet spot in Japan, hidden gems, and must items for souvenirs. If you're interested in these topics, please subscribe my channel. Azabudai Hills opened in 2023 with commercial facilities, restaurant, shops, hotel, and residence on an area of 8.1 hectares. Founded in 1871, Okume is one of the longest-run seafood companies in Tsukiji Fish Market. They newly opened its shop at Azabu Hills. It's a Japanese select food shop that is particular not using chemical seasonings or preservatives. And I highly recommend you to make your own dashi packs here, that is its original service only Okume. You can choose from 30 kinds of domestic ingredients that are made with additive-free and sun-dried manufacture methods. It's just so convenient to cook Japanese dishes so easily and deliciously with the dashi packs at home. If you're going to cook Japanese dishes at home, you must buy the dashi packs. The selections are dry bonito, tuna, mackerel, and salmon, and dry small fish such as anchovy, flying fish, sea bream, black-throat sea perch, kelp, dry scallop, and Japanese shiitake. A variety carries a vegetable as well. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, you can make and order the ones who only use vegetables. After you choose all the ingredients, they will mill and make them small dashi packs for you. It will take about half an hour. Before making an order, they highly recommend us to try their original branded dashi broth. Let's try. The classic dashi is characterized by a strong umami taste like bonito, so it's good for daily use. The premium dashi gives you a distinct umami but elegant flavor, so we can use it for the dishes such as soup and simmer dish. Kyoto dashi tastes mild and elegant, so it's recommended for udon noodle soup and hot pot. Tokyo dashi contains 6 ingredients, which gives you a rich flavor. Even they're all made with only vegetables, it tastes rich and umami flavor. We could have just as it is. Okay then, let me try making my own dashi packs. In case you're not familiar with Japanese dry ingredients, just ask the broth sommelier. They will kindly suggest for you according to your preference. Depending on the umami substance, all the ingredients are divided into 4 categories A, B, C, D. And if you choose to mix all the categories following its golden ratio, the umami will increase many times. For example, shiitake mushroom have glutamic acid, bony flakes have inosinic acid, and kelp has glutamic acid. It's a bit pricey, but I like to take the dry sea bream. You can also ask them the best choice for dishes what you're going to cook, like hot pot, ramen soup, or simmer vegetables. Then they will suggest the ingredients for you. Wow, the donko mushroom seems so good. I'll take this too. After you choose all the ingredients, they will let you know the price. The price is high under your price range. You can just ask exchanging the reasonable ingredients. Dear, what I ordered today? I got tuna, sea bream, lizard fish, roasted kelp, and donko mushroom. The total is 3,423 yen, which is 22 US dollars for 30 packs. In addition, they line a lot of delicious food from all over the country, such as seasonings, accompanying rice, and canned foods. There is one more item I highly recommend. It can help easily to elevate your dish with depths of flavor like authentic Japanese cuisine. Their Dashi soy sauce base combined with their ingredients. They have 3 kinds of taste and I tried the basic one this time. The basic mix contains roasted kelp, soda bonito, scalp, and donko shiitake mushroom. You could just add soy sauce directly, but they recommend us to add mirin and sake as well. The ratio is 4 for soy sauce, 1 for mirin and sake. Add 120 ml of soy sauce, 30 ml of mirin and sake. Put it on low heat till it brings to boil and turn off the heat. Pour the mixture to the bottle. Leave it in the fridge for 7 days, then you can use it as you like. You could pour soy sauce about 3 times more to make dashi soy sauce. I can't wait to cook with the dashi packs. Now I'm showing how to use the dashi packs. 1 pack with 300 ml of water for standard dashi, 2 packs for 500 ml of water for rich dashi. I'm cooking hot pot with using 2 dashi packs. It's just so easy, fast, no skills, and so delicious. Put 2 dashi packs into water over high heat until it's boiled. Once it boiled, turn it to low heat, boil another 7 minutes. Then take out the dashi packs. Adjust the saltiness with salt and soy sauce, or you could eat with dipping sauce ponzu if you have. During winter, we eat hot pot very often because you can eat plenty of vegetables. A Chinese cabbage is popular ingredient for hot pot during winter because it's super low calories but high nutrition. I personally love crown daisy for hot pot. It tastes slightly mustardy and bitter. Today we're having a hot pot. You cannot miss tofu that can soak the broth that is so delicious. Okay, it's all set. Mainly summer vegetables don't go well for hot pot, so choose winter veggies. Add some ingredients first which are taking time to cook like core of the Chinese cabbage. It's almost done. Turn it to low heat, then enjoy it. The coat is so delicious. After you enjoy all the ingredients, roughly strain the soup. It contains a lot of umami and nutrition. You can add udon, ramen, glass noodles instead of rice. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a beaten egg. and sliced green onion. Hot pot dishes are usually prepared with various ingredients, so even after you finish eating, you can have all the nutrition. We finished it all. Did you enjoy watching today's video? You should take this experience as an opportunity to know about dashi and the splendor of healthy Japanese food. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.